Georges Antoine Rochegrosse was born August 2, 1859. Died November 7, 1938. He was a French historical and decorative painter. His themes are generally historical, and he treated them on a colossal scale and in an emotional naturalistic style, with a distinct revelling in horrible subjects and details. He was elected an officer of the Legion of Honor in 1892 and received the Medal of Honor in 1906 for the Red Delight. Rochegrosse also illustrated several books. Some of the drawings for these illustrations are in the Department of Prints and Drawings at the British Museum, London.